Okay, I'm back with another video that how you can root your device OnePlus 15. So first of all, I would like to visit my website which I recommend to my users, file PC zones, and then here you can see there's the website URL on the Google, and this, so I go to here and then download it. Okay, I think so. Not support what I am looking. Close here, and a website has open in front of you, and let's see the guidelines of how to easily root OnePlus 15 smartphone. Complete guide. It is very simple and easy guide for you, and you can root yourself as well. Currently I have no any device on my physically on my desk to root physically and show you one by one steps. So that is why I wrote that guideline for you, and you can learn how you can do yourself easily. So first of all, I mentioned the answer, quick answer, that is root the OnePlus 15 by unlocking the bootloader via fast boot command and patching boot.img email you can call with Magisk on your phone, then flashing it back through fast boot. So what are the benefits and risks you should know before doing? So it will remove Oxygen OS boot bloatware files, flash custom ROM freely, block all air system wide, deep performance and full titanium backup access, install root only apps. Okay, what are the risks? If your OnePlus 15 device has warranty claim, so it will be void and no one you will not able to claim that warranty again if you root it one time once. So it will wrap your all wife's or data and banking apps detected, and root file, wrong file will be breached. Okay, there are other risks also I mentioned. So what the thing you should have to start? First of all, you should have Windows or Linux PC. Run ADB and fastboot on it. ADB so is a tool and fastboot tool. Both are the just one tool. Okay, Magisk APK, stock boot.img, Windows run ADB. Okay, ADB and Magisk APK. Okay, you can let it stable from the GitHub and stockboot.img original USB cable data cable C type supporting depend. Okay, I think C type is currently in the latest devices. Okay, I mentioned the steps as well. You can read. I determine 12 steps into 4 phases. Okay, in the one phase, prepare your phone. In the second phase, unlock the bootloader. In the third phase, page boot image. In the fourth phase, flash via fastboot. Okay, and that's all the steps I mentioned. If you have planned fully properly and trying to move to the next steps, you can read the frequently asked questions from my audience. I mentioned, does routing OnePlus 15 device web data? Yes. Can I use fastboot on Windows 11? Yes. Will OnePlus device still get updates after routing OTA updates? OTA stand for OTA stand for OTA is and stand over the air and lots of clear. Okay. Stop working after you root. You need to flash update manually via fastboot. Applying OTA over root bricks Magisk. Okay, phone not detect by fastboot. Fix and install OnePlus USB tower. Okay, try a USB port 2.0. Okay, final decisions that are routing the OnePlus device is straightforward compared to Samsung devices. OnePlus support bootloader unloading officially, which makes the fast boot method can clean and reliable. Match your firmware version. Use platform tool I mentioned above, and you must keep your battery above the 60 percentage. Follow the steps I mentioned and get a fully rooted OnePlus device, 15 device without issues. Okay, you can go another guide if you are looking. So I hope so. That's all for now. We'll meet on another video. Thanks for now.